We have had more coconut milk here in Southeast Asia than we have ever in our lives before. It's in the curries, it's in the soups, it's in the smoothies. They just put it in everything. Back at home in the US, we know coconut milk is coming in the can or coming in one of those cardboard containers. But here in Myanmar, they make a lot of their coconut milk fresh. So we just got done at a local market here in Yangon, and we came across a woman that makes her own fresh coconut milk, and we thought it would be cool to share that process with you. Step 1, select your coconut. She had 2 different varieties for us to choose from. These ones cost 800 Chat, and these ones cost 600 Chat. We opted for the higher end coconuts, and since we're far from being coconut experts, had her choose a good one for us by just giving it a little flick of her finger. Or maybe that's just for good luck, I don't know. Step 2, crack your coconut open. She then took the chosen coconut out front and, using a machete, cracked it into 2 pieces. The most curious part of this step is that she didn't save the coconut water inside of the coconut to mix with the milk. She sliced it open and let the coconut water run out onto the street. It could be because it might make the coconut milk sweeter than it's supposed to be. Step 3, grind your coconut. She took the 2 coconut halves back to her special coconut grinding machine and used it to shred the coconut flesh into smaller bits. Step 4, add water and blend. She then collected those bits and added filtered water, pushing the shredded coconut into a blender, then had this nifty little hose that the thick mixture dripped from. Step 5, filter out the pieces. Using a cheesecloth and strainer, she squeezed out the remaining liquid and filtered out all the larger chunks of coconut, and in the bottom of her bucket was the final product of fresh, homemade coconut milk. Step 6, give it a taste. We were curious how much milk 1 coconut could produce, so first we put it in a measuring cup. For 1 coconut, we got about 2.5 cups of coconut milk. More than a single can, and only cost us about 70 US cents. Put it with some muesli, a banana, and a mango from the market, and you've got yourself a simple, delicious, plant-based breakfast. So we hope you enjoyed that process. One thing we did learn is that the shelf life is a little bit different than the canned coconut milk at home. I think it lasted,
like 2 days.
Yeah, it lasted about 2 days, so you really want to use it up as quickly as you can. And if you are making it at home, it may be a challenge for you to find a coconut milking machine in the US. We haven't come across one of those yet.
Let us know if you do.
Yeah, let us know. But anyway, thanks so much for checking it out. If you like this video, please hit the little like button down below, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and we will see you soon.
Bye.